Hello students, what is going on? Myself Abdullah Momin, and in this video we are going to see the numericals of chapter number 5 oscillation, that is from class 12th standard physics Maharashtra State Board. So the very first numerical which is given in your textbook is a body of mass 2 kg performs linear SHM. It experiences a restoring force of zero point 0.2 Newton. So this is the mass of the body, which is 0.2 kg, and the restoring force F is 0.2 Newton when its displacement from the mean position is 4 centimeter. So displacement of the body is given, that is 4 centimeter, and when you will convert it into meter we will multiply it with 10 raised to minus 2. So we are supposed to find out force constant, that is K, period of SHM, and acceleration of the body when its displacement from the mean position is 1 centimeter. So the formula of force constant, or we know that if a body is performing SHM, so these are the given quantities, and we are supposed to find out number 1 force constant, which is K, number 2 time period, that is T, and number 3 acceleration of a body at a displacement 1 centimeter. So the formula, we know that the formula of force constant or restoring force is Kx. So from this equation we can write K is equal to F by X. So the restoring force is zero point 0.2 and the displacement is 0.04. This displacement can be written as 0.04 meter. So K can be written as 0.2 upon 0.04, and when you will solve it you will get 5 Newton per meter. So the force constant is 5 Newton per meter, and we know that the formula of omega is equal to 2 pi by capital T. So we will write T is equal to 2 pi by omega. So we know that the formula of omega is root k by m. So when you will put this formula into this equation, we will get T is equal to 2 pi divided by root k by m. So we will write 2 pi into root m by k. So we will get this formula, 2 pi root m by k. M is mass of the body, k is force constant. So we have the value of force constant. So when you will put this value, you will get 0.4 pi. And if it is time period, we will write second. Now we are supposed to calculate the acceleration at a displacement of 1 centimeter from the mean position. So instead of 0.04 we will put 0.01. This is wrong. So when you will solve this, you will get 50 by 2, which can be written as 25. So we will get 25 meter per second square. The next numerical is A particle performs linear SHM of time period or period t 4 second and amplitude 4 centimeter. Find the time taken by it to travel a distance of 1 centimeter from the positive extreme position. So we have the equation of displacement of a particle. Since the particle performs SHM from the positive extreme position, so its phase can be written as pi by 2, and its amplitude is 4 centimeter. So now the particle is at a distance 1 centimeter. This distance is 1 centimeter. This distance is 4 centimeter. So we can write this distance as 3 centimeter. So now the particle is at a position 3 centimeter from the mean position. So this is 3, amplitude is 4, sine omega, omega is can be written as 2 pi by t into t plus pi by 2. So this 4 goes to another side, it can become 3, and sine theta plus 90, sine theta plus 90 means sine theta plus pi by 2 is equal to cos theta. So this is theta, this is sine theta plus 90 means cos theta. So 2 pi by t, that is the value of capital T. When you will solve it, you will get this value. And cos theta is 3 pi by 4. That means cos goes to another side and it can be write pi by 2 into t cos inverse of 3 by 4. 3 by 4 can be written as 0.75. So when you will see the cos of from the logbook, you will get 41.4 degree. You will convert it into radian. So we will multiply it by pi by 180. So when you will cancel this 2 pi, these two ones are 2, 90. 41 upon 90, that is zero point 0.4 second. So t is zero point 0.4 second. This is the time taken by the particle to reach from extreme position to 1 centimeter distance. Next numerical is a particle performing linear SHM with period 6 seconds is at positive extreme position at initial time t0. Now the particle is found to be at a distance from this position at time t7 before reaching the mean position. Find the amplitude. Now what this numerical is saying, a particle performing linear SHM and the time period is means capital T is 6 second and is at extreme position. Suppose the particle is at extreme position. The particle is found to be at a distance from this position. Extreme position से वो कितने distance पे मिल रहा है from this position, मतलब this distance is your 3 centimeter distance at time, और यहाँ तक पहुँचने उसको लगा टाइम 7 सेकंड बिफोर रीचिंग द मेन पोजीशन पे पहुँचने से पहले फाइंड द एम्पलीट्यूड कैलकुलेट करना है सिंस पार्टिकल स्टार्ट्स t is equal to 0 from positive extreme position. So we will write phi is pi by 2, and distance is the total distance is a, and it is at 3 centimeter, means this position is a minus x, means a minus 3. So x is equal to a sine omega t plus pi by 2. So instead of x we will write a minus 3. This a goes to another side, a minus 3 by a sine 2 pi by t. The value of t is, and the time instant is 7. So we can write 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. So 7 pi by 3 plus pi by a, and this equation can be rewritten as sine pi by 3 plus pi by 2. That sine pi by 3 plus 90 is cos theta, and cos pi by 3 means 1 by 2. So after solving this, we will get the amplitude as 6 centimeter. Next numerical, that is the speed of a particle performing linear SHM, are 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter at a respective displacement of 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter. So when the speed V1 is 8 centimeter per second, the displacement is 6 centimeter, and when the speed is 6 centimeter per second, the displacement is 8 centimeter. Find its period and amplitude. So we have the equation speed is equal to omega a square minus x square. So we can write v1 is equal to omega a square minus x1 square divided by v2 square is equal to omega a square minus x2 square. So v1 is 8, v2 is 6, omega omega get cancelled, root a square minus x1 square divided by root a square minus x2 square. So this 4 become 4 by 3. So after solving this equation, squaring on both sides, so we will get 16 by 9 a square minus x1 square upon a square minus x2 square. After cross multiplying it, 16 a square minus x2 square is equal to 9 a square minus x1 square. So 16 a square minus 16 x2 square is equal to 9 a square minus, this is your x1, this is your x2. So we are going to put the value of x1 and x2, and when you will solve it, you will get a is equal to 10 centimeter. Now we will put a is equal to 10 centimeter in V1 equation, and when we will solve that, we will get time period as 6.28 second. Next numerical, that is fifth one, the maximum velocity of a particle performing SHM is 6.28. Maximum velocity means V max is given, that is 6.28 centimeter per second. If the length of its path is 8 centimeter, that is the total path length. If the total length is 8 centimeter, then we will say that the amplitude is 4 centimeter. Calculate its time period. We are supposed to calculate the time period. So we will write V max is equal to 6.28 centimeter per second, and 6.28 is the value of 2 pi. A is 4 centimeter, so we know that V max is equal to A omega. So instead of omega, we will write 2 pi by T. So T can be written as A into 2 pi upon V max. So T can be written as A, that is 4, 2 pi. V max means 2 pi. 2 pi get cancelled, we will get 4 second. So thank you student, thank you very much. I will catch you next time.